In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first, open up your WhatsApp, and then you want to press on agree and continue. Then from here, you want to click on allow notifications and enter your phone number. And then you can choose to add your contacts and media. Then press allow. Then once you get to this page, you want to give permission or you want to skip if you want to restore your storage. Then once your account is chosen, it will load, and then you can make sure and agree to continue with the WhatsApp status. Then you can choose your name. And once you're done with that, you will be finishing your setup, and now you have added WhatsApp. And that's it. Quick and simple. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.